Hey dolls, welcome back to the dollhouse. It's your girl Caitlin here. If you are new, don't forget to hit that red button down below before you leave. Matter of fact, I'm going to give you 5 seconds. All you got to do is scroll down. Right beside my name is the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit the little bell beside it too if you want to be notified whenever I upload. So today we are back with another video. So I picked up some new foundation, and this is it's new but it's old, but I don't like doing foundation reviews when everybody does them. So I went and got the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and guess what? I got the color. I am in the shade Hazelnut. So I'm in the shade Hazelnut, and I think this retails for, I can't remember how much I got. Matter of fact, I think it was like 40 bucks from Ulta. I'm not sure, but I will leave it down in the description box on how much this bad boy costs. I feel like Too Faced is a high-end foundation. Correct me if I'm wrong. But if you want to see this review, stay tuned to the video. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and take my Fenty Beauty primer to prime my face. And I don't really have like really bad dry skin, but I did go ahead and moisturize prior to applying this primer. I will be reviewing the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I got her in the color Hazelnut. So I'm just going to go ahead and swatch it for you guys on my face. And that is what Hazelnut looks like. Can you guys see it? I'm going to do another one. So that's what Hazelnut looks like. And I watched a lot of reviews, and they did say that, you know, this foundation oxidized. So there we go. It's a pretty close match. The main review that I watched was Andrea's. Hey girl, she's like my YouTube sister. I literally love her channel, and we're really similar to our color shades. So if you are wondering, it is a pump tube. So I just pump it out places where I need it. And I will be blending it out with a foundation brush. And this foundation brush is by BH Cosmetics. So the consistency of this foundation is pretty thick. It's a full coverage foundation, because as you can see, my face is looking pretty covered already, and that was just with one layer of the foundation. So I'm very happy about that. I'm very happy about that. So very full coverage, as you can tell. I'm going to go ahead and do my highlight and contour routine, and I will be back in a few hours to let you guys see how the foundation took place. So here's a close-up. Okay, so it's been a few hours, If you're wondering, I spritz my face with the Absolute New York Spritz to Fix Matte Setting Spray. And this is what my foundation is looking like after a few hours.